Hi dear students, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Okay. Today we are going to discuss simple present tense. Okay. All of you get ready. All of you take page number 34. Okay. Today we are going to discuss simple present tense. Simple present tense. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Page number 34. Did you heard about this tense? Simple present tense? I hope all of you are studying 4th standard simple present tense. Okay, here we use the simple present tense for an action that happened in the present moment. We use the simple present tense for an action happen in the present moment. For an action in the present moment. That is simple present tense. എന്താണ് ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് പ്രസന്റ് മൂമെന്റിൽ നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യത്തെ നമ്മൾ simple present tense എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay. Here the batsman hits the ball hard. When an action exists or happens regularly. എന്താണ് I play with friends in the park every day. Regularly അതുപോലെ എന്താണ് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ. When an action exists or happens regularly. I play with my friend in the park every day. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എല്ലാ ദിവസവും കളിക്കാറുണ്ട്. Okay. Then a state exists the moment. I feel happy. എനിക്ക് ഈ സമയത്ത് എന്താണ് I feel happy. എനിക്കിപ്പോൾ സന്തോഷം തോന്നുന്നു. I feel happy in this moment. Okay. In the present moment. To express a general truth. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. For here, you already remember this point. For an action that happened in the present moment. And it is called simple present tense. Here, forming the verbs in the simple present tense. എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ simple present tense നമ്മൾ ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് വെർബ്സ് ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Okay, while forming the simple present tense, we make sure that noun or pronoun agrees in number with the verb. While forming the simple present tense, we make sure that the noun or pronoun agrees in number with the verb. For all verbs, എല്ലാ verbsനെ കൂടെയും with I, V, U, they are plural nouns. I, V, U, they. These are the plural nouns. Plural nouns. We use the root or base form of the verb. Here, one example. Here, I read storybook. I read story books. It's a plural form. Then that's why we use the I here. Okay. And then we swing sweetly. We swing sweetly. You pray daily. You pray daily. They shout loudly. They shout loudly. All these children play in the park daily. Here, I, we, you, they, that are plural nouns. Okay. Here, in the plural form of the verb, we are adding I, we, you, they. Okay. Understand? Here, once again, we revise this example. I read the story. I read the storybook. This is a plural form. That's why we are adding the I. Then we sing sweetly. We sing sweetly. You pray daily. They shout loudly. All these children play in the park daily. Here, for the most verb, he, she, it is the singular form. He, she, it. He, she, it is the singular form. Singular noun. Okay. Here, he, she, it is singular nouns. We adding s or es. S or es, the base form of the verb. എന്താണ് സിംഗുലർ ആണെങ്കിൽ വെർബ് സിംഗുലർ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ഇൻ സിമ്പിൾ പ്രസൻറ്റ് ടെൻസ് കേസിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് വെർബ്സ് സിംഗുലർ ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് എസ് ഓർ ഇ എസ് നമ്മൾ വെർബിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കും. വെൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് ദ സിംഗുലർ കംസ് ഇൻ ദ വെർബ്സ് change into s or es, the base form of the verb, root or base form of the verb. Okay, understand? Then here some examples. Read this sentence. He reads storybook. He reads storybook. He reads storybook. He is a singular here. Then root base form of the verb is read. Then we are adding yes. Okay. Storybooks. She sings sweetly. It barks at strangers. The cat does tricks. Then for the verbs ending with the consonant y. Next, the consonant sounds. Here the next consonant sounds ending with the y. Consonant sound ending with the y. എന്താണ് with he, she, it as singular noun, y changes into ies. എന്താണ് സിംഗുലർ നൗൺസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ we adding എന്താണ് സിംഗുലർ noun he, she, it is a singular noun. Then we adding ending with the y changes into here the y changes into ies. The verb ending with the verb y we change into ies. Okay, example. Here the example. She is a singular noun. She try is a verb. Okay, then here we change into ies to sing. Understand? Here the verb is try. Here the verb ending with y. We changing. Here change to y change into ies. Okay, understand? Then another example. It flies. It fly away. It fly away. Here the verb is ending with y. Then we are adding ies. Flies. Okay, understand? It flies away. And then next, the baby. Cry. The baby cry. The baby cry. Here the baby cries. Here change into ies. Ies. So the example of consonant sounds ending with y. Here we are adding ies. If the singular noun in the consonants verb ending with y, we are adding ies. Okay, all of you remember this point. And then next, for the verbs ending with the vowel sound. For the verb next, for the verbs ending with the vowel sound. Here the vowel sound ending with the y. Verbs ending with the vowel sound. With the vowel sound. Y എന്താണ് verb means vowel sound ending with y. We adding yes. Okay, understand? Yeah. With he, she, it, the singular noun, and add s to the root base form of the verb. For example, she stay in Patna. Here the singular noun. Here she is a singular noun. Here the vowel sound ending with a y. Here we are adding yes. She stays in Patna. Understand? And then one more example. He play badminton every morning. Yeah. He is a singular noun. The vowel sound, here the verb is vowel sound ending with y. We adding yes. Okay. Yeah. He plays badminton every morning. Understand? Yeah. Another example in your textbook. Look at in your textbook. It brays loudly. It bray loudly. Then change into brays loudly. And then Mona prays daily. Mona prays daily. For the verbs ending with the s. Yeah. Next point. First we discussed the verbs ending with the consonant sound y. We are adding ies. And the second point, verbs ending with the vowel sound y. We are adding yes, the root base form of the verb. Understand? And the next verbs ending with the yes, ch, sh, x and z. Ending with the yes, ch, sh, x, z. Here we with the he, she, it singular noun, we are adding es the base form of the verb. We are adding es the base form of the verb. Okay. എന്താണ് verbs ending with the എന്താണ് s, ch, sh, x, then z. We are adding es the base form of the verb. Example. She watches television. She watched television. She watched television. Okay, here this is a singular noun. Then the base form of the verb is ending with the ch. Here the ch, we are adding es, watches. Okay, she watches the television is the correct one. Okay, understand? Here, look at your textbook. Another examples. Pradeep misses going for a swim in the lake. He brushed his teeth. He is a singular here. Then brush is the base form of the verb ending with the sh. We are adding es. He brushes his teeth. That is the right one. Then this tumbler fixes the taps very well. It boos loudly. It boos loudly. Okay, that's the right one. Here, exercise page number 36. Exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs. In bracket, use the simple present tense. One has done for you. One has done for you. Yeah. Megha dash revise her lessons after she dash come from the home. Here, Megha revises. We are adding yes. First we discussed yes, the base form of the, we are adding the base form of the verb. Yes or yes. Here the singular nouns, we are adding s or yes, the root base form of the verb. That's why Megha is a singular here. Revises her lesson after she comes from the school. Then second one, the cat scratched the dog when she dashed to go out. Second one. What is the second answer? Yes, all of you answer the question. The scratches. Ending with the CH. We are adding ES. Then next one. Once. Okay. And then third one. She washed her hands but never wiped them clean were asked. He always dashed his hands with a paper towel. She washes. Then he always dry. Ending with Y. Dry. Adding IES. Dries. Then fourth one. You visit clash with our school time, but we can meet you after school. You visit classes, then meet. Okay, then last 5 and 6 is the homework. All of you find out the answer yourself. Then exercise number B, fill in the blanks with the simple present tense form of the verb in bracket. Here some verbs are given in your bracket. All of you find out the answer. First one has done for you. The penguin be a flightless bird. It lives in the southern hemisphere. The penguin is a flightless bird. It lives in the southern hemisphere. Penguins have white and black feathers. They waddles when they walk. Their body is shaped like a torpedo which allows them to go through the water speed of 25 miles per hour. Then all of you find out the answer yourself. Other answers. Then exercise number C. Rewrite this sentence correctly using the simple present tense one has done for you. First one. Ledika watches a cartoon show every day. Ledika watches a cartoon show every day. Then second one. The children plays hockey. The children play hockey. Then third one. I studies regularly. I study regularly. Third one. I studies study regularly. Okay, and then fourth one, she dances beautifully. She dances beautifully. All of you find out the answer. Okay, here the activity, work in pairs, circle any 15 verbs in simple present tense in grid. Some letters may overlap. One has done for you. All of you find out the answers. Okay, I hope all of you understand this topic, simple present tense. Simple present tense for an action that happened in the present moment. Here the forming verbs in the simple present tense. Simple present tense when, okay, when with I, we, you, they, the plural nouns, when we use root based form of the verb, then the for most verbs, he, she, it's the singular nouns, we are, s, o, es. Then in the verbs ending with the consonant sound, we are adding ies. In the verbs ending with the y, we are adding yes, the root based form of the verb. Okay, then the for the verbs ending with the sh, ch, s, x, z, then we are adding es, the root based form of the verb. Okay, I hope all of you understand this chapter. Okay, next we are going to discuss our one more small chapter, 8th chapter, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. You heard about this tense? Present continuous tense? This also all of you studied in 4th standard. Okay. What is the forming format of present continuous tense? What is the forming format? Is or, am or, is or, am or, are plus ing is the base form of the verb. Okay. Yeah, then all of you look at your textbook. We use the present continuous tense for actions that are unfinished or going on at the time of speaking. എന്താണ് ഇപ്പോഴും നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ okay, we use the present continuous tense for actions that are unfinished or going on at the time of speaking. ഇപ്പോഴും നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഫിനിഷ് ആവാത്ത കാര്യങ്ങളെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത് പ്രസൻറ്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസ്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഐ ആം പ്ലേയിങ് അറ്റ് ദ മൊമെൻറ്റ്, ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോഴും കളിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോഴും നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യം. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ, സൈറ ഈസ് വാക്കിംഗ് ഹെർ ഡോഗ് നൗ, ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ പട്ടിക്കുട്ടീൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇപ്പോഴും നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. സൈറ ഈസ് വാക്കിംഗ് ഹെർ ഡോഗ് നൗ. മെഹർ ആൻഡ് സിംറാൻ ആർ ഷോപ്പിംഗ് ഫോർ ന്യൂ ക്ലോത്ത്സ് നൗ. എന്താണ് മെഹറും സിംറാനും എന്താണ് ഷോപ്പിംഗ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്, ന്യൂ ക്ലോത്ത്സ് ഷോപ്പിംഗ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Then we often use words such as now, at the moment, these days, today, always, tomorrow, later, tonight, this evening, for a while with a present continuous tense. Forming the verbs in the present continuous tense. Forming the verb present continuous tense is or, am or, are plus ing. Base form of the main verb, that is V1. Okay, understand? Yeah, main form of the verb. Example, here mainly use singular form we use is, then I use am, then are we use plural form. Okay. Yeah, for example, read this sentence. Mehang is studying now. Mehang ഇപ്പോഴും പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Here he is eating. അവൻ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. He is a singular here. That's why he is using is. Then she is eating. അവൾ കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. She is singular here. It is barking. It is singular here. Then that's why we using is. Then I am eating. I am. That's we use am. You are eating. We are eating. They are eating. Wasim and Ali are flying kites now. Is a plural form. That's why we using are. Okay. Then all of you studied this format very well. In present continuous tense, we all of you remember this forming format. Is or, am or, are plus ing is the base form of the verb. Okay, then only answer the question easily. Okay, if you didn't know this forming format, nobody can answer the questions. Okay, all of you study the format is very important. Okay, in higher study, next year also, all of you studied these tenses and all. Then all of you know about this forming format. Then easily can understand or easily can study that tense. Okay, yeah, we all know. Yeah, last year also he studied this forming this tense, but some of the students didn't know what is present continuous tense. Okay, in present continuous forming format, is, am, are plus ing is the base form of the verb. Okay, is mainly used singular form, are is mainly used plural form. For most verbs, we adding ing in the root or base form of the verb. Break, breaking, sing, singing, bring, bringing. Yeah, we already discussed the base form of the is or are or plus ing in the base form of the verb. Then For verbs that end with e, verbs ഇയിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ we drop e and adding ing. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചേർക്കും? ഇക്ക് പകരം ing ചേർത്ത് കൊടുക്കും വെർബിൻ്റെ കൂടെ. ഓക്കെ. Then bake, baking, bake, e ending with the e, adding ing. Come, coming, drive, driving, leave, leaving, shine, shining, take, taking. For the verbs that end with ie, verbs യിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ we change ie into y, adding ing. Die, dying, യിലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്തു? iക്ക് പകരം y ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്ത ing. Lie, lying, tie, tying. For some verbs we double the last consonant before adding ing. Cut, cutting, dig, digging, put, putting, sit, sitting, swing, swimming, trim, trimming. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense form of verbs. In the bracket, one has done for you. Surabhi dash dance well. Surabhi is a singular here. Singular here. Surabhi is adding. So, it's a present continuous forming format. Is or am or ing is the base form of the verb. Here the Surabhi is singular. Here we are adding is. Then base form of the verb dance. We are adding ing. Dancing well. Understand? They go to the school. They are going to the school. Understand? Then I am playing in the guitar. All of you find out the answer. Then exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense form of the verb in the bracket. The first sentence has done for you. We are build our house near a lake. And Mr. Dash construct his bungalow near mall. We are building our house near a lake. Mr. Sot is constructing in Bangalore near mall. Arun Dash cut the hedge today. Arun is cutting the hedge today. I clean a garage. I am cleaning the garage. Okay, 3 to 8. All of you find out the answers. I hope all of you understand this present continuous tense. Present continuous tense actions unfinished or going on at the time of this moment or time of speaking. Okay, that is called the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense forming format is o, am, o, are plus ing is the base form of the verb. Here the examples are given here. All of you studied this forming format and also all of you studied the simple present tense and simple present continuous tense. Is very important. I hope all of you understand. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.